Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In the previous video, we had worked on this navigation bar. We had placed the icons and the text on the navigation bar shape, which are the page's options. And now in this video we will complete this program. We will create the core functionality of this program. So basically we will create a functionality, which will highlight the clicked page option, and also it will switch the clicked page option associated page interface. As you can see in the showing example. So first we will create the page option highlighting functionality. As in the previous videos I had already explained, this white colored shape is an image, which we will place over the navigation bar shape image, using the Python pillow library. So we will call this white colored shape, the highlighting tab. So let's see how we will place the highlighting tab on the navigation bar shape, using the Python pillow library. Here I am creating a function. Here inside this highlight page option function, we will create a functionality which will highlight a targeted page option. First I will import the Python pillow library. So here I will use the pillow library image and image TK class. To place the highlighting tab image to the navigation bar shape image, first we will open the navigation bar shape image file, and the highlighting tab image file, using the pillow library image class. The pillow image class open method loads an image file from storage, and makes it editable inside Python. Using the pillow image class open method, here I will open the navigation bar image file. And similarly I will open the highlighting tab image file, using the pillow image class open method. Here is the image file of the highlighting tab, which we will place on the navigation bar shape to highlight a page option. The all image files, which we have used in this program, download link will be available in the description box. Now here is the most important line. Using the paste method of the navigation bar image of pillow image object, we will paste the highlighting tab image on the navigation bar image. So think like, here we have opened two images using the pillow image class, one is the navigation bar shape image, and the other is the highlighting tab image. Then using the paste method of the navigation bar pillow image object, we will place the highlighting tab image on the navigation bar shape image. Let's come to the practical. The paste method is used to put one image inside another image. Let's see how we will use it. Here in the im argument I will specify the image object, which image I want to place on another image. So here I will pass the highlighting tab image object, because we want to place the highlighting tab image on the navigation bar shape image. And here in the box argument, I will specify the X and Y positions, where I want to place the image on another image. Simply here in a tuple I will specify the X and Y positions. The X and Y positions we will take as argument, through the highlighting page option function. Because we will use the highlight page option function, to highlight a targeted page option, so that the X and Y positions will be different for each page option. And here in the mask argument we will specify the same image object, which we will place on another image. Basically the mask argument controls the transparency, it keeps the transparent background of the placed image object. And now the highlighting tab image will be placed on the navigation bar shape image. Now after pasting the highlighting tab image on the navigation bar image, we will display the updated image of the navigation bar shape on its label widget. To configure the updated or edited version of the navigation bar shape image on its label, first we need to convert the pillow image object into a Tkinter compatible image TK object, using the pillow image TK class. Because the Tkinter cannot directly display pillow image objects, so this conversion step is necessary. Let's convert this navigation bar shape image object into the Tkinter TK image object. Simply here in the pillow image TK class of the photo image method, we will pass the navigation bar shape pillow image object. Now here the navigation bar shape pillow image object will be converted into the Tkinter TK image object. Now simply here we will configure this navigation bar shape TK image object to its navigation bar label widget. And now the edited version of the navigation bar shape image will be displayed on its label, which has placed the highlighting tab image, to highlight a targeted page option. And one more important thing we need to do, adding the navigation bar image reference to its label widget is very important, because without it, Python's garbage collector may remove the image, and the label may appear blank. Now let's test this function. Let's see how we will use the highlight page option function to highlight a page option. Simply here I will call the highlight page option function, and I will pass the x and y arguments values. So here I have passed the x value 5, and the y value 5. These values are absolute for highlight the home page option. So by passing the x value 5 and the y value 5, the highlighting tab image will be placed here, to highlight the home page option. Now let's see if I run this program. And here you can see, the highlighting tab image is placed on the navigation bar shape image, at the place of the home page option, to highlight the home page option. But here is something else. Basically this is the background of the home page option canvas widget. Because the background color of the home page option canvas is different, and the highlighting tab image color is different, that's why it is appearing over the highlighting tab. To solve this problem, simply we will change the background color of the targeted page option canvas widget. So here in the highlight page option function, we will take another argument, called canvas. In this canvas argument, we will pass the canvas widget object of the targeted page option. And through the canvas argument, we will change the background color of the targeted page option canvas widget. We will set the background color white of the targeted page option canvas widget. So here I have configured the background color white to the targeted page option canvas widget. Now the highlighted page option canvas background color will be matched with the highlighting tab image color. So here we are highlighting the home page option. Simply here in the canvas argument we will pass the home page option canvas widget object. Now let's run the program. Here you can see, now the home page option is clearly highlighted, but now there is another problem. The home page option icon is not showing. Actually the icon is present here, but due to the white color of the highlighting tab image, and the same white color of the home page option icon. Both colors are matched, that's why the icon is not showing. To solve this problem, we will need to change the color of the highlighted page option icon. By default the all pages icons are in white color. So if a page option will be highlighted, then also we will turn the highlighted page option icon into black color from the white color.